Hello and welcome. This is my 2019 Specialized Rockhopper hardtail. Definitely one of my favorite bikes. Last summer I installed an external dropper post, a eTeni. And today I'm installing a eTeni, the I standing for internal. Yeah, I'm upgrading an upgrade. Partly it's because it's more efficient. Well, realistically it's because it looks better. The materials needed for this particular upgrade are pretty simple. You need a new dropper post, such as this eTeni, as I mentioned before. I also picked up a Jaguar cable kit that included all the various ferrules and fittings and such that you would need. I got both of these from worldwidecyclery.com, linked in the description. For tools, you will need a 6mm Allen wrench, a 1mm Allen wrench, cable cutters, and something with a conical point on it to round out the cable after you have cut it. And that's it. The first step is to loosen the set screw on the cable on the dropper post lever using your 1mm Allen wrench. However, I forgot to hit record when I did that, but I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. At any rate, this is what it looks like with the cable removed and hanging off to the right of the screen. The rest of this video is going to be pretty well self-explanatory, so I will keep the commentary to a minimum from this point forward. I did not yet cut the cable and the housing to length. Yeah, I'll do that later before the riding season starts. Well, there you go. Another easy upgrade completed. I mean, seriously, this could not have been any easier. Just replace the cables and drop a new post into the seat stem. Bob's your uncle. I think I paid like $120 for the internal stem. There's a link in the description below. Now, when I got this bike, yeah, it did have the basic 3x8 and the SR Suntour XCT spring fork with dual preloads but no lockouts. And it was a good bike. I mean, I rode it in stock configuration for well over a year, and I just had tons and tons of fun with it. I really do like this bike. But any bike is subject to improvement. And so, over the course of last summer, I put on a RockShox Judy Silver TK air fork. That made a difference. One of the first things I did was I upgraded the cockpit to a shorter stem and wider handlebars. And that was nice. Pretty much all that's left now are hydraulic brakes and going tubeless. And these tires are, I think, kind of reaching the end of what I'm comfortable riding on, because I'm beginning to see the first traces of the sidewall plies, and that makes me a little less than confident that they're going to last out another season. And even if they would, I'd rather not take the chance. But that's an upgrade for a different day. If you enjoyed this video, there are more like it on the playlist linked below left. There's a link to another video that I think you'll enjoy below right. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed this. And as always, thanks for watching. Seriously, I do appreciate that. Goodbye and have a great day.